Welcome back to Streamline Entertainment. It's your boy Marvin. This is all over the news. This is crazy. Basically, a female prison officer arrested after she allegedly filmed having sex in an inmate in his cell.
If you're a teacher and you love what you do, but you don't love the workload, I've got something for you. So if you're fed up of
So, wow, big story. So the lady's name is basically Linda de Souza Abreu. She's originally from Brazil, but have been living in London, the Fulham area, for quite some time. So, Wandsworth prison officer Linda de Souza Abreu, accused of sex with a lag in a jail video, leaves court after Heathrow arrest. So she was on her way to Madrid. So maybe she tried to get out of the country, realising what she had done, but she actually told her work that she was going there and was intercepted by police and arrested. Obviously, it's a government job, so it comes with a lot of responsibility. So let's read the story. A prison officer appeared in court, accused of having sex with an inmate in an X-rated video filmed in a jail cell. I'm not too sure whether this was from his friend taking it and filming the video, or I've heard another story that the friend wanted sex after the guy she was actually being intimate with. So, and this is why this other person who was videoing put it online, and obviously the police ended up seeing it, which is a crazy situation to be in. So she was arrested at Heathrow, pictures leaving court today carrying a suitcase. There she is. Maybe she thought she was going to be locked up. There she is again, dressed up as she's an IG model. There she is again, coming out of court with sunglasses. That's her in court. She feels really embarrassed about the situation. So the 30-year-old appeared at Uxbridge Magistrate Court today, charged with misconduct in a public office. She spoke only to confirm her name, date of birth, address during the hearing. The court was told de Souza Abreu was arrested at Heathrow Airport, where she was due to catch a flight to Madrid. She had notified the prison of her travel plans, it was said. The mum was bailed on the conditions she does not enter the UK, enter any UK travel port, will be subject to curfew between 7 p.m. and 9 a.m. So they're keeping an eye on her so she doesn't leave the country. Sheila Plea will next appear at Isleworth Crown Court on the 29th of July for a plea of hearing. Wow, that's big. That's big. They're going to probably make an example of her because she's working for government. She's in a prison, and she's basically had sex with a prisoner, and now she's got to basically be punished for it. The charges state that between June the 26th and the 28th of June, the prison officer willfully and without reasonable excuse or justification misconducted herself in a way which amounted to an abuse of the public trust in the office holder by engaging in sexual acts with a prisoner in a prison cell. The Met Police launched an investigation on Friday after officers were made aware of the video allegedly filmed inside HMP Wandsworth. It showed a prison officer having sex with an inmate. De Souza Abreu was arrested on suspicion of misconduct in a public office the same day, so they acted quite quickly, the police. The married woman is originally from Brazil and shares an OnlyFans account with her husband. A prison service spokesman said staff corruption is not tolerated, and the former prison officer allegedly featured in this video would be reported to the police. It would be inappropriate to comment further while they investigated. It's also said that basically, I've heard so many stories. She's married but in an open relationship. They can do what they want. They're very open in sexual contact, but you don't bring it to your workplace. That's just too much at the end of the day. And she's done it. And she's going to go viral for it at the end of the day. Somewhere along the line, she'll tell a story and she'll get a lot of money in the way this system works. Yes, it is out of order, but the way IG models are today, I bet someone's going to interview her once this has calmed down, and she'll get it. Look, she's a very, very attractive girl at the end of the day, but not professional. It's just not professional what she's done. So she's not going to get another job in that industry, but she's always got her modelling jobs and her looks to basically hang back by. Don't forget to subscribe to Streamline Entertainment. And what are your thoughts about this lady, Linda de Souza? Because she's put herself all over UK news, and not only that, world news as well. It's crazy. But like I said, things do go on in jails, basically, and sometimes other prison officers turn a blind eye to her. Because I think it was put online, it made a bigger thing. Don't forget to subscribe to Streamline Entertainment and follow the channel. Thank you very much.